Want to know how to track changes in Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily track changes for Microsoft Word in 365. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, what you can do is on the left side, you can just simply select apps and then just simply open up Word, and your Word should be opened up on the browser. So it's basically Microsoft Word but in the browser form. So in order to check for any changes, it's super simple. Here on the bottom, you can also see jump back in where you had last created your Word file. This is the easiest way to do so. So where your saved files should be shown. So if that doesn't show, here on top left side, you should be seeing App Launcher as well. You can just simply select that and see all of it that's there, which is your documents and much more. And this is how you can easily check for changes in Word. So you can also open up any file individually and check if there is changes as it is auto save. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.